Hello, my wonderful viewers. Thank you so much for choosing Rebby Kid Foods. And if you are new in this channel, please also consider subscribing to this channel. It has a very amazing videos, easy recipes, delicacies, and traditional foods as well. African traditional foods, that is. And if at all you have subscribed and you have not switched on your notification bell, please switch on your notification bell so that you can always be notified of the incoming videos. Otherwise, guys, today I'm back with this video. I'm still on breakfast idea or breakfast tip. So this time I just want to give you just simple breakfast tip, and let's cook together. So guys, the breakfast is of the bread. I have bread here. I have my eggs here. I have honey here. I have sugar. I have sesame seeds and paprika. So keep tuned. I will beat my eggs. The number of eggs will depend on the number of pieces of bread that you want to make. So you can as well use 2, but I'm using 4 because I have quite a number of them. Keep tuned. So I have my bread here. I'm going to remove the edges, and it's not really a must. You can have the edges or you can leave them, but I'm going to cut them into 2. So for guys who've been asking for more breakfast tips, here I am. I'm honoring your requests, and please share the videos. Thank you for liking my breakfast ideas. So the bread will depend on the size you have, but just do them in halves. Better, because this one seems to be very so thin. I would wish if you can get the bread size which is of this size, the better. So these are my bread now. I'll put them aside. And these are my 4 eggs. I have paprika. I'll add paprika to it. And now here I'm going to add at least 2 tablespoons of sugar and a tablespoon of honey. So if you wish, you can use sugar throughout and leave honey out. But I just love the taste of honey, so I'm just going to use a tablespoon of honey. So I'll beat up everything. Make sure that everything mixes well. I'll use this whisk. So I will take my bread, but I wish maybe I can just fold them together. So what I'll do, I'll dip my eggs in here, and then I'll place it aside. So these are my pieces of bread. Keep them aside. placed my pan with oil to cook, and here I have my sesame seeds. So I will take them, I will add them in here. So guys, you can see that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place them in the oil to cook. So keep tuned. This one and place. So remember guys, this side you put it down, facing down, because we are still going to add this sesame on top here. So this is a very, very nice breakfast idea. Try it out guys. You will love it, love it, love it. And you will enjoy bread and you wouldn't even know that you're taking bread. Gently turn them the other way around. You have to be gentle a bit. See how my bread is looking so nice and so tasty. Just done. I'll take them out. Yes, and you can see how it looks so nice. Make sure even the sides are a bit cooked like this, then put them aside. Same to the others. So you don't need to have a lot of, the heat has to be in medium to low heat. So the same way, place them with the other way around. Then after that now, you can add the seeds. So guys, this is a very nice breakfast idea. You can see how they are looking so tasty, guys. Please try this out. You really love it. Don't just enjoy mandazis every now and again. At times you can just break that boredom by taking this. You can see my bread. You wouldn't know their bread. It's so nice, so tasty. So please try this out. Let me just have a taste and see inside how they look like. So I'll just have one. You can see this one. You can see. And crunchy as well. So nice, guys. Please view my video, give it a like. Please share this video and try it out. Mostly try this video out. So nice. Otherwise, thank you for watching this video. Let's move to another video. Bye bye.